Hello, I'm Noel Ramos for Los Angeles Property Management Group. If you're considering investing in commercial property, you know that a triple net lease will require the tenant to be responsible for your property's maintenance, insurance, and property tax. These costs are often referred to as the triple net lease. A triple net lease is designed to be extremely low maintenance for you as the landlord. But if you think delegating costs to the tenant will make owning commercial property easy, you may want to think again. Triple net leases come with their own distinct risks. Let's take a look at some of the difficulties you may encounter and how the experts at LAPMG can help you avoid them. If your property is occupied by only one tenant, they are solely responsible for all maintenance. This can become problematic if the tenant neglects to maintain the property or hires low-cost service providers. At the end of their lease, you as the landlord will be left with the fallout from substandard maintenance. Smart property owners come to LAPMG for help with these problems. We have found roofing and HVAC systems in absolute ruins because the tenant did not follow proper protocols. Regular preventative maintenance can extend the lives of these systems by years. With LAPMG, you can be certain that rooftop units are being inspected regularly, as per the lease agreement. We require the lessee to carry a contract with an approved service provider, assuring routine maintenance inspections. If the tenant fails to perform any required maintenance, we will ensure it gets done and bill them for the service. We will tour your property on a regular basis, along with the approved contractors. LAPMG will supply you with first-hand reports on the condition of your building systems and ongoing maintenance procedures. These are just some of the ways that Los Angeles Property Management Group can help you avoid triple net nightmares. Yes, a triple net lease can make your life easier, but only when all aspects of it are enforced. LAPMG will make sure that you're not on the hook for costs that result from neglected maintenance of your commercial property investment. Remember, excellent property management doesn't cost, it pays.